Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the strike plate in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, a No. 1 square head bit, and pliers. Unthread the 2 screws on the strike plate to remove it. Pinch the ends of the strike to remove it from the plate. To install the new strike plate, snap the strike into the plate. Rethread the 2 screws to secure the plate to the door panel. And your dryer should be ready for use.